We're doing whatever we can to stay warm during this blast of Arctic air. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Strzempko is working for you with some precautions to take if you're using a space heater.
Well, Haley, space heaters can be a convenient way to stay warm, but they can also be very dangerous. According to the State Fire Marshal's office, 1 out of almost every 30 space heater fires causes a fatality. While many of us use them, there are some important precautions to take to prevent a fire.
You want to make sure you're not keeping the heater too close to materials, couches, walls. You want to make sure that there's enough air circulation around them, and they're not on shelves and they're supported properly underneath.
Now, you should keep your space heater at least 3 feet away from anything that could catch fire. Never leave a space heater unattended or on while you're sleeping. Try and plug it directly into the wall and only use a heavy-duty extension cord with the correct power rating. Now, the sale or use of kerosene heaters is illegal in Massachusetts. Live in Chicopee, I'm 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Strzempko.